Plenty of spy shots have been showing that Fiat is working on a mid-cycle refresh for its somewhat cutesy 500X, and to ease the wait, the current version is being given a mild update. Meet the Blue Sky Edition, which is a special edition in the traditional sense, as it actually a package available exclusively for the Pop model upon which is based. If you want this version, bear in mind you will be stuck with the 9-speed automatic transmission. So, what new? It is essentially a more generously equipped version of the 500X Pop and comes with niceties such as automatic headlights, dual-panel electrically operated sunroof, 17-inch alloy wheels, and fog lights. While these goodies might not make you rush into your local Fiat dealer to place an order, the small crossover has also received a plethora of satin chrome accents noticeable on the door handles and side mirror caps. These premium touches, as described by the Italian marque, have also been applied onto the fog lamp and taillight bezels, as well as on the side moldings, the liftgate handle, and even on the badges. Customers will get to pick from one of the following 4 colors: Nero Cinema Black Clear Coat and Grigio Graphite Gray, Bianco Gelato White Clear Coat, and obviously this Blue Sky Metallic shade. There's not much to say about the interior, but Fiat does mention it has added model-exclusive cloth seats with a blue pattern, along with more blue for the instrument panel. Available for both front and rear-wheel drive versions of the 500X Pop, the Blue Sky Edition package costs an extra $1,495 for the former and $1,195 for the latter. It will hit Fiat dealers in the United States this spring.